Monica Wofford has spoken in all 50 states and 32 countries. Monica has been featured on CNN and Fox News. They've quoted her in Forbes, Bloomberg and Investors Business Daily, with her first keynote 30 years ago to 9,000 students.
Get ready, take a deep breath, because we're on for a ride. Monica?
Do any of you in here have any difficult people? In order for you to actually lead effectively, you have to have some responsibility and accountability for your own behavior. So when you communicate, it's your words and your tone that make the biggest difference, but it's also your language. It's not just one behavior or another. It's not just one action or another. It's a collection of things that we probably could call different.
Oh, what a great show. It's so interactive. You know, we're moving around the audience. It just draws us all in. But it was a great presentation with good information.
Do you drive on highways? Yes. Excellent. Have you ever been on a highway, getting on the entrance ramp, you're gaining speed, and all of a sudden, some little fast-moving sports car comes right by, almost cuts off your bumper. Has this ever happened to anybody? Oh. Was that when you got creative?
I enjoyed it. Monica is very engaging and knows the needs of our business, so it just made it more exciting.
The author of numerous books, including Make Difficult People Disappear, Monica Wofford has trained thousands of managers who have been promoted, but not prepared for leadership. For your next conference or convention, and for your managers and leaders, book certified speaking professional Monica Wofford. Learn more online at monicawofford.com or call toll-free 866-382-0121.